We're waiting on this for years. There they come. Oh, there they go. First ones. Go on, little friends. Oh, they're coming from this way.
Oh, they come this way?
Hey, yikes, stay over there.
Oh, close one.
They're talking to them. We would have been very close to them.
That's why he told us to move.
I would have liked that. Look at him swim. Oh my gosh, look. There we go.
Wow, look how it sounds.
Yes, I love it. Percy, go stand in front of me so you'll be in the shot. Go stand in front of me. Look at him swim. Get a little further away, Carson. You can't see you on the camera. You can move if you want.
It's not as many. It's not as many as I thought.
Well, there's more coming. No, I guess that's it.
Really?
Look at them. They look so cool. Swimming.
How are they so good? They just
They're
don't
like, let's get out of here. I don't like this. Oh, the boat. They're like, no, where you going? Look at the horns. Uh-oh. They have it down.
It's kind of funny.
That line is going far along this current from the river. Uh-oh, I saw one doing something weird. He's going the wrong way. There's one at the end.
That black one.
This one's over here swimming in circles. I don't remember finding it.
Yeah. Who's hungry?
Down for that for this 6 months. Over here, and I'm like, I don't think so. They kind of me.
There's always one.
Look at him running. Yeah. Look at him running. That one's going the other way. Oh, that one's going over there. Oh, that was the one. He's on the boat.
Yeah, you innately know as an animal to go to land. If you're not a swimming creature.
Yeah. That big black one over there. That one's too.
If you get behind those people, they'll step back and step like move.
I know.
Please.
It's like, I think he's literally laying down. Yeah, this guy. Oh, yes, he should do that. Yeah, he was laying down. I mean, he's fucking like that. Oh, no. Look at the horse.
Yeah, he got him over there. That one's just a straggler.
Yeah, one.
Yeah.
That was fun.
That was fun. cattle drive across the water.
And my mom hasn't even.
That's real life right there.